Hey there, fellow AV enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about sharing the ins and outs of AV life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but crucial for any AV owner: uncommon AV maintenance mistakes to avoid. Now, we all know the basics of AV maintenance, like checking your oil, tires, and fluids. But what about those less common pitfalls that can sneak up on us? Well, let's take a look at some of these uncommon mistakes and how to avoid them. First up, we have the dreaded AV roof. It's easy to forget about, but a damaged roof can lead to a whole host of issues, like leaks and water damage. So, make sure to inspect your roof regularly and repair any damage promptly. Next, let's talk about your AV's water system. If you're not flushing your water system properly, you could be in for a nasty surprise when you go to take a shower. So, remember to flush your system before you hit the road. And finally, let's discuss your AV's batteries. If you're not charging them correctly, you could end up with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere. So, make sure to charge your batteries properly and regularly. There you have it, folks. Uncommon AV maintenance mistakes to avoid. We hope this video has been helpful in keeping your AV in top shape. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more AV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy AVing!